Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to the class on direct and indirect speech. The previous class we had spoken about the future tense, how it can be changed from direct into indirect speech. Today we move on to the next rule regarding the direct and indirect speech, and that is rule number 4. The rule number 4 will say that the reported speech, when it indicates universal truth or habitual action, tense of the reported speech is not going to be changed even if the reporting verb is in past tense. So once again, when the reported speech indicates universal truth or habitual action, tense of the reported speech is not going to be changed even if the reporting verb is in past tense. I'll give an example so that you will understand it better. Direct speech: he said man is mortal. Said is the reporting verb and that is in past tense. Man is mortal, that is a reported speech that indicates a universal truth, and that is given in present tense. So come to the indirect speech. He said that man is mortal. The tense of the reported speech is not changed. It remains the same. It is given in present tense itself, even if the reporting verb called as said is in past tense. So even if the reporting verb is in past tense, since the reported speech indicates a universal truth, the tense of the reported speech is not changed. It remains the same. We can read this particular expression that is given here. It tells that when the reported speech indicates a universal truth, the tense of the reported speech is not going to be changed even if the reporting verb is in past tense. Now let's take another example. Direct speech: he said 2 and 3 make 5. Said is the reporting verb and that is given in past tense. 2 and 3 make 5 is a reported speech that indicates a universal truth. Since the reported speech indicates a universal truth, even if the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the reported speech is not changed. It remains the same. It is given in present tense itself. So this is a nutshell of this particular explanation. That is, even if the reported speech indicates a universal truth, even if the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the reported speech is not going to be changed. It remains the same. Let's take one more example. He said, I go to temple daily. Said is the reporting verb and that is given in past tense. I go to temple daily is a reported speech that indicates a habitual action and that is given in present tense. Since the reported speech indicates habitual action, its tense will not be changed when it is converted to indirect speech. He said that he goes to temple daily. The tense remains the same. It is also given in present tense. And that is rule number 4. When the reported speech indicates a universal truth or habitual action, even if the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. Now let's move on to the next rule, that is rule number 5. Rule number 5 will say pronouns and possessive adjectives of first and second persons will be changed into third person. Pronouns and possessive adjectives of first and second person will be changed into third person. Now I'll give a table. On my left you have first and second persons. On my right you have the third person, which means I and you will be changed into he and she. My and your will be changed into his and her. We and you will be changed into they. Our and your will be changed into their. So please learn this particular table. This is how the first and second persons are changed into third person. Now let's take an example. Direct speech: Ali said, I have been cheated. Now when you convert that sentence to indirect speech, Ali said that he had been cheated. Now see the change of pronoun. I is changed into he, and that is underlined. I is changed into he. Now come to the next example. Direct speech. The teacher said to the boys, you should do your homework regularly. You should do your work regularly. Now when you convert that sentence to direct speech, the teacher told that they should do their work regularly. See the change of pronoun. You is changed into they, your is changed into their. So this is how the pronouns are changed. I hope we have understood rule number 4 and 5. So once again, the rule number 4 will say, when the reported speech indicates a universal truth or habitual action, its tense will not be changed even if the reporting verb is in past tense. Rule number 5, the change of pronouns. First person and second persons will be changed into third person. I hope you have understood. Kindly go through these notes once again, and I request all of you to take your studies seriously. Thank you.